Unconditional positive regard is a concept in humanistic psychology that refers to accepting and supporting another person without any conditions or judgments. This approach is fundamental in creating a safe and nurturing environment where individuals can explore and develop their true selves. The term unconditional positive regard was introduced by the influential psychologist Carl Rogers in the mid-20th century. Rogers, a pioneer in humanistic psychology, emphasized the importance of this concept in therapeutic settings. He believed that for individuals to grow and self-actualize, they need to feel valued and accepted without conditions. There are 5 main characteristics of unconditional positive regard. The first characteristic is acceptance without judgment. This means embracing the person as they are without evaluating or judging their behavior or feelings. This characteristic is about recognizing the intrinsic worth of the individual, regardless of their actions or thoughts. The second characteristic is consistent support. This involves providing continuous support, regardless of the individual's actions, emotions, or thoughts. This unwavering support helps create a stable environment where the individual feels secure and valued. The third characteristic is empathy. This involves demonstrating a deep understanding and sharing the feelings of another without judgment. Empathy involves putting oneself in another's shoes and experiencing their emotions from their perspective, which fosters a deeper connection and understanding. The fourth characteristic is non-conditional care. This refers to offering care and support that does not depend on any conditions or prerequisites. This type of care is given freely and unconditionally, reinforcing the individual's sense of worth and security. The fifth characteristic is encouragement of authenticity. This is about encouraging the person to express their true self without fear of rejection or disapproval. This characteristic supports individuals in being genuine and authentic, which is essential for personal growth and self-acceptance. Here are 2 examples of unconditional positive regard. First, in a therapeutic setting, a counselor practices unconditional positive regard by accepting their client's feelings and experiences without judgment, no matter what the client shares. This acceptance helps the client feel safe and supported, allowing them to explore their thoughts and emotions more openly. Second, in parenting, a parent shows unconditional positive regard by loving and supporting their child, regardless of the child's behavior or achievements. This unconditional love helps the child develop a strong sense of self-worth and confidence. Let's look at 3 benefits of unconditional positive regard. First, it fosters a safe and supportive environment where individuals feel free to express themselves without fear of judgment. This openness is crucial for personal growth and self-exploration. Second, it enhances self-esteem and self-worth by reinforcing the idea that one is valued and accepted just as they are. This acceptance can lead to greater self-confidence and well-being. Third, it promotes healthy relationships by creating a foundation of trust and mutual respect. When individuals feel unconditionally accepted, they are more likely to build strong and positive connections with others. Now let's explore 3 criticisms of unconditional positive regard. First, some argue that it can lead to the avoidance of addressing negative behaviors or harmful actions. Without constructive feedback, individuals might not recognize areas where they need to improve or change. Second, it may be challenging to practice consistently, especially in situations where the individual's actions conflict with deeply held values or norms. This can create internal conflicts for the person offering unconditional positive regard. Third, it might be perceived as insincere or unrealistic in certain contexts, particularly if the support is given without acknowledging the complexities of human behavior and relationships. To learn about other common concepts in psychology, check out the videos on the screen or the links in the pinned comment.